Welcome to day 22. According to the schedule, today we learn about blocking in boxing, or how to block punches. But before that, we're going to warm up as usual. First, start with a boxing jump or jump rope for 2 rounds of 3 minutes each. And measure that while doing the boxing jump, your feet stay aligned like this. Don't bend. Stay in the boxer stance. Now, as usual, we'll do air squat, push-up, and sit-ups. Today, we're at 25 repetitions each. And sorry, I won't be demonstrating them today, because I've got a friend who will be showing his stead. Please give a warm welcome to my friends. Now, the next warm-up is jab cross for 1 minute, hooks for 1 minute, uppercuts for 1 minute. Then, add some wakes, jab cross again for 1 minute, hooks for 1 minute, and uppercut for 1 minute. Remove the wakes, do another round of 1 minute. Let's move on to shadow boxing for 3 minutes. As always, imagine your opponent in the center and the shadow box while circling around them. Throw only leg punches, not hard shots. The focus here is the tactic, not burning out your stamina. Shadow boxing is your space to refine your skill. If you want to throw fast and powerful punch, there's a place for that, the heavy bag. But shadow boxing is where you focus on perfecting your form, your movement, and your overall technique. By the way, use your defense or head movement like try slipping, roll, lean back on your shadow boxing. Alright, once you finish your shadow boxing, then move straight into the cardio. It's been a while since I was shown a cardio session, so today I had my friend demonstrate for you. Okay, so the first step is raise your hands up to the level of your eyebrows, like this. And next, shift your head toward the side you want to blow. If you're blocking with your left hand, then turn your head slightly to the right, like this. And third is body movement. Measures to rotate your torso and your waist. And lastly, don't forget your footwork. If you're blocking with your left hand, rotate your left foot. The same applies to the other side. For the final drill today, we're working with the setup. You can easily make one at home and get creative with how you design it. The first drill, block with your left hand, or you can start with your right hand first, then throw a counter with the opposite hand. For example, if you block with your left hand, follow up with a cross, After block with the right hand, follow up with the jab. Do this for 1 round of 3 minutes. Now the second round, counter with a hook. So instead of counter with a jab or cross like before, now throw either left hook or right hook after blocking. Again, 1 round of 3 minutes. And the third round is counter with uppercuts. Do this for 1 round 2 minutes. And finally, for the last round, go freestyle. Try to incorporate as many blocks as possible during the freestyle, so it will the habit of defending against punches in boxing. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on day 25.